Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Today is Thursday, so we're doing core. 4 exercises. Let's get started in a few seconds with crunchy frog. 3 sets, 20 repetitions. Remember, best effort, always staying under control as much as we can. You guys are ready to go? Preview should be up on the screen. You should know what to do. 3 sets, 20 reps. This is not going to be an easy set today, so let's get going. Ready? 1. It's going to be a lot of counting involved. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8. Halfway. Stay right here. 1. 7. 3 more. 1, 2, last 1, 3, and down. Let's rest for a few seconds. I should call this exercise crunchy knee instead of crunchy frog. If you guys should be able to pick this up on the microphone if you actually turn up the volume. Hear my knees crunching. Anyway, so that was set number 1. We'll get going in a few seconds. We'll take about 20-second breaks between sets. We'll go set number 2, same exercise. Remember, it's 3 sets per exercise. You guys ready for set number 2? Legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking good. 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. 9. And that makes it halfway. And that makes it halfway through the first set of exercises. 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. 1 more. And relax. Take a look at the clock. That's 2 sets down, 1 set to go of the first exercise. Whew. Feel like I'm just warming up. I love doing core. Check out my shorts. I try to put out a core video just about every day, at least 5 times a week. A little bit of core every day goes a long way. That's what I say. You guys ready to go? Third and final set of crunchy frog. Legs up in the air, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Keep it up. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now we relax and we're going hands to toe. So I have to apologize in advance. Usually when I do this exercise, my chin right here hits the microphone right here. So I'm going to try to keep the talking to a minimum of these so everybody's going to appreciate this exercise a little bit more. Lay all the way down to the ground. Make sure you get enough room behind you and enough room in front of you to extend your feet all the way out like so. And your arms all the way back. That's close enough, like so. And we're just going to reach our feet to our hands and have them meet about halfway, hopefully. You guys ready to go? 3 times 20. And let's go. Just like this. That's 5, 6, 1. Keep it up. 3 more. 2. Last 1. And relax. Set number 1. We take another, call it 20-second break from now. And we move on to set number 2. Same exercise. Do the best that you can. Reach all the way for those toes. Try to keep that lower back pressed against the ground as much as you can. So always squeeze it into the ground. It'll activate your core and take the pressure off of your lower back. All right, that was about 20 seconds. Back on the ground. And let's go for set number 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. 10 left. Last one. And 10. All right, set number 2. Hey, these are not very pretty for me. My legs are bent, especially when I reach forward. You know what? I am not that flexible, and it's okay. And I just wanted to show you guys, it's okay. I'm here on TV, more or less, and not doing it perfectly, but I'm doing the best and hardest that I can. So I expect the same from you. Basically, just try hard. Do the best that you can. You know, nobody's actually watching you. Nobody's making fun of you. Nobody's looking at you. You're just doing it for yourself. Anyway, that was set number 2. Let's take 10 more, and we'll go for fun set number 3. And they'll be halfway done with our workout. All right, time's up. Enough talking. Get back to work. Core Thursdays, arms back, legs out, and let's go. Ten more. Three more. 1, 2, and 3. Close enough to 20. All right, let's relax. We have the old Russian twist coming up. Little twist for this one, and we're gonna do 30 repetitions. So 3 sets of 30. Up to you. If you want to leave your feet on the ground, perfectly fine. If you want to leave your feet up in the air, hanging, make it a little more difficult, obviously better. But you know, you have to work your way up to it, and that's perfectly fine. Or if you do the first 15 reps with feet up in the air, you hold them up there as long as you can, then you gotta put them down. By all means, put them down and continue with the exercise. All right, here we go. 3 sets of 30. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, legs up if you can, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. Keep it up. 1. That's 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Oh yeah. Definitely feeling it, definitely gonna feel it tomorrow. Feels good. Let's take our 20 seconds, and then we'll get going for set number 2 of Russian twist. Like I said, you can make this exercise as difficult as you want. All these exercises are scalable. So, you know, if you can do them better than me, do them better than me. And if you can do them quite as well, just do the best that you can, like I always say. So that was set number 1 of Russian twist. Here goes set number 2. You guys ready to go? Legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3. 10, 20 left, 19 now, 18, 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice deep breath. I don't know when you guys start feeling it, but about 22 in, that's when the obliques and the sides get really tight for me. Feels good, no reason not to finish. Little pain of pain goes a long way. All right, let's take 15 seconds from now, since I've been yapping for a few seconds, and then we'll get, excuse me, and then we'll get going. So last final set of Russian twists, and after that we only have 3 sets of final exercise left, and we'll be done with the core for Thursday. At least I will be. All right, time's up. Legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. Halfway, keep it up. 10 left. 5 left. And 1. Whew. All right, final exercise. What I like to call up and over. So if you have, you don't have to have anything, but if you do have something, put it on the ground in front of you, stand that up. We're gonna bring our feet over whatever object you have in front of you. We're going for 15 repetitions. And to make our life a little bit easier, each side is gonna be a rep, all right? And you can leave your feet up, or you can just do this, perfectly fine. It will also work your core, believe it or not. You don't have to keep your feet up in the air. You can do 1 foot at a time, both feet at a time. It's completely up to you. All I know, we have 3 sets left of 15 repetitions. So you guys ready to go? I'm gonna try to go both feet at once, at least in the beginning, and see how that goes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we finish on this side. Take 20 seconds. That's 1 set down. Does that seem too easy to you? Should we have done 1, 2 as being 1 rep? I don't know. I'm not gonna change it up now. Maybe I will in the last set. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Let's go. We got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. 20 seconds left. So what do you guys think? Should we double it up? Last set, burn it out, see who collapses first? I say let's do it. If you have to do singles, do singles. If you have to do 1 leg at a time, do 1 leg at a time. Let's just keep it up. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. There's only 1 way to find out. You guys ready to go? 3, we're going to doubles. 2, 1, and let's go. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Well, that's it. That was our Thursday core workout. Expect another core workout next Thursday. So if you did challenge your core, I know I did. Hopefully you did too. At least come back next Thursday. There's gonna be a different style workout on Monday. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. As I already said, I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday for almost 5 years running right now. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.